Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Washington, D.C. is bracing for what could be the most significant snowstorm of the season. Meteorologists are closely monitoring a developing system expected to impact the area midweek, bringing substantial snowfall and potentially hazardous conditions. According to recent forecasts, a winter storm is anticipated to affect the Mid-Atlantic region, including Washington, D.C., on Wednesday, February 19th. The National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning in effect from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. EST on Sunday, with west winds expected to reach 20 to 30 miles per hour and gusts up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. This storm system is expected to bring heavy snowfall to the D.C. area, with current models suggesting accumulations that could make it the most significant snow event of the season. Residents should prepare for difficult travel conditions, possible power outages, and plan accordingly. With the potential for heavy snow and strong winds, it's crucial to take necessary precautions. Ensure you have essential supplies, avoid unnecessary travel during the storm, and stay informed through local news and weather updates. Here are some steps you can take to stay safe during the storm. 1. Stock up on essential supplies such as food, water, and medications. 2. Keep flashlights and extra batteries on hand in case of power outages. 3. Avoid travel during peak storm hours to reduce the risk of accidents. 4. Stay updated with local news and weather forecasts for the latest information. City officials are mobilizing resources to address the impending storm, with snowplows and salt trucks ready to keep roads as clear as possible. However, the combination of heavy snow and high winds may lead to hazardous conditions, so it's best to stay off the roads if you can. As the D.C. area prepares for this significant winter storm, remember to prioritize safety and stay informed. We'll continue to provide updates as the situation develops.